Hello and welcome to another video of Flectra. So today we are going to see about how we can set up a sports store using the Flectra. And so for that we'll start with adding the products, and for that we'll go to the website, products, and the product section. Now we haven't added any product yet, so to add the product we'll just click on create. Now add the product name. Now for example, I just want to add the cricket kit, so I'll just write the product name cricket kit. Okay, after that I'll just add the image. Now let's add the image for the cricket kit. After that, in general information, we are having the product type, so that is consumable, service, or storable product. So the storable product, then sales price, I'll just add the price of $20. And the product category, we can assign the category, that in which category you just want to show up this product. And tax, if you want to add the tax, you can add the tax over here. You can add the internal reference, barcode, or an internal notes over here. Then the variance, if you are having multiple variants or any values over there, and you can add the variance over here. Then in sales, you can set the invoicing policy for the ordered quantity or on the delivered quantity. You can add the option product over here. In sales description, you can add the your notes regarding your sales orders or invoices. Then e-commerce, in e-commerce, if you are having multiple websites, then you can select the website. Then you can add the categories, you can add the alternative products or accessory products. If you are having multiple images, then you can, using extra product media, you can add the images. Now after that, we can add the quantity from here and update the quantity. So right now I'm having the 10 quantity on hand, then I'll add the 10 quantity over here. Now after that, I'll save this one. So we have added the product. Now we'll just go to the front store and see the product. Let's refresh the shopping page. So a product has been added. So right now it's an unpublished stage. So I'll just make it publish. So here's our product, this is the image, this is the name of the product, this is the pricing, and using this I can add the quantity and add the product to the cart. So after that we'll see how we can add the promotions, coupons, and also we'll see how we can add the payment methods and shipping methods in our store. So for that we'll start with first with promotions, how we can add the promotions in our products and how we can use that. So for that, go to the website, and in product section there is the promotion programs. So we have added some promotions over here. So let's just open first. That is the code for 10% orders. Let me click on edit. So that is our title for the promotion. So over here we'll apply 10% discount on the order, on the total order. And here we'll find some conditions that we can apply the condition on based on the customers, on based of the products. Here is the quantity. We can select the quantity and how much quantity we just want to offer that discount. Then there is the minimum purchase of amount, that what is the minimum purchase of the amount, and we can use as in tax included or in tax excluded. Then promo code usage, that will be automatically applied, or you just want your customer to apply a code. So here we have selected user code, and there is the promotion code. Now here we can write the promotion code, that what will be your code that your customer will write, and then they can use that discount offer. So here we have added code as in max 10. So that will be our code. After that we can select the validity. First is the website, that in which website, if you're using multi-website, then in which website that you want to use. Then apply on first, that whether you just want to apply on the first order or you just want to want an infinite use. Then we can add the date, what will be the start date and what will be the end date. So this is our start date and that will be our end date. Now after that there is the rewards. Now first is the applicability, so that is apply on the current order. Then the reward, we just want to give a reward as a discount or a free product or in free shipping. So here we have selected the discount. Now after that what will be the amount, we just want to give as in percentage wise or in fixed amount. So you can go with the percentage wise or you can add the amount. So here we have added the percentage and that is the 10%. Now discount apply on the whole order, on cheapest product or on specific products. So if you are you have added any specific products and only on that product you just want to apply the discount, so that is, for that we just need to select the on specific products. Now here we have selected the on total order. Also you can limit on basis of the maximum discount amount, set that, so you can set as in maximum amount, so that will be your max amount. Above that will be no discount. So we have added the conditions. Now let's just save this one, okay, and go to our front store and check this one. So our promo code is max10. So this is our front store. Let me go to the product and I'm adding this product. I'll go to the checkout and here is the option of I have a promo code. Now here I can write a promo code that is max10 and then I'll just click on apply. So as I just click on apply, so as you can see there is the return, the 10% discount on total amount. So discount has been calculated and my final amount will be $13.50. So that is how easily we can use this promotions and coupons program. Now let's just go to the backend and here will be the coupon program. Okay, so that's that would be the same, but here you will find some less options of, if you just compare to the promotion program. If you are just using on a small scale and you can use this coupon program over here. Now after that to add the payment requires and the shipping methods, we just need to go in configuration. So here is the option of payment requires. So as you can see these are the default payment gateways that Flectra will offer to you. So anyone, if you just want to use, so for example it's a people, so what you need to do, you just need to install it and just add your credentials over here and started using it. That's it. So currently we have enabled the wire transfer over here. So that is the payment requires, and if you just want to use any third-party payment gateway apart from that, that is also you can use. So you just need to create and develop that one. Now after that there is the shipping method. Now what will be the shipping prices if you just want to provide a free shipping or you have any normal delivery charges, so that you can set up from here. So if you are providing the free delivery, then you can add the shipping gateway as in free delivery charges, and then you can set the pricing according to that. Now if you are charging any normal delivery charges, then as we can see there is the normal delivery charges. Provider would be as a fixed price. We can select the delivery products. Now here also we have provided the option of free if order amount is above. Now we can set the amounts. If for example if I just on $100, so that would be free if my order amount is above $100. So that is the functionality that Flectra will be providing, and that is the pricing. So currently the fixed price is $10. We can set the destination availability and also the description. So from here we cancel this one. From the shipping methods we can establish shipping methods.